Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Minecraft Bedrock. This is crucial because Java does not support local split screen. Once done, sign in the host player and attach the second controller. You must add the additional player locally using the on-screen prompt. Make sure your display is standard 16:9. The game decides layout based on resolution. Don't waste time checking accounts online. Focus on controllers, edition, and display. When ready, launch a world from the host profile and look for the second player join prompt. Next, you press the join button on the second controller as the host world loads. This triggers split screen immediately. If the split layout looks wrong, change the console or PC display resolution. Bedrock recalculates split orientation based on aspect ratio. Also go into Settings, then Video, and tweak UI scale and HUD options so each player sees important info. Remember, split is managed by the game using display metrics, so changing resolution, or UI scale, is how you force a different layout. To finish, confirm both players can move and access inventory, then save the world. If something fails, first reload the save. This often restores HUD and input. If reloading doesn't help, restart the console or PC and reattach controllers. Hardware handshake issues are a common cause. Make sure Minecraft and your system firmware are up to date, because version mismatches can block local multiplayer. One key troubleshooting tip: if split still won't appear, switch the display resolution to 1920 x 1080 and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.